In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change like emoji on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up Instagram app and then go to your DMs. After that we can get into some conversation just like that, and then we can like any post in that conversation. To do that, just double tap at that post and it will place that heart icon, heart emoji over our message. And then let's say we want to change that emoji. To do that, hold down your finger at that message and then just choose some emoji from here. You can select that one or some another, and also right from here you can tap at that plus and then you can search for this variety of different emojis just like that. Also, if you would like to remove that emoji from message, you can just tap at the emoji and then right here tap at that emoji sign again, and that will remove it from the message. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.